Hello everyone!
Hello, welcome to MyData-NEWS.
Welcome back.
We are happy to see you and we'll start this new season with a new concept. So now we will share 5 big news regarding the health sector and the data protection.
We have some great news. We will talk about health apps and some privacy issues, also e-health, a centralized database, also a stop of data transfer to the US from a hospital.
And we will also talk about a bit about California and the hospital which was a ransomware attack a month ago. So let's go. For the first news regarding the researcher uncover health app privacy issues. So multiple mobile health applications share information with a broad collection of advertisers. It's according to an investigation conducted by the Washington Post. While data most apps share doesn't directly identify user, they typically use a sequence of numbers or identifiers linked to a user's device, and the investigations found. So the app maker generally argued sharing a keyword search by a user is not equivalent to disclosing their health concern. But however, privacy advocates warn selling user identifiers and keyword searches open consumers to unnecessary risk because the US Health Insurance Portability and Accountability Act doesn't cover these apps.
Garante issues a negative opinion on establishment of e-health centralized database. So, beginning of September, a decree in Italy was released and related to health data ecosystem, naming various violations of the GDPR. So, as SDS will apply the use of algorithms to process sensitive data, Garante recommends that EDS must contain, for example, the contents and methods of feeding the database, also the rights recognized to individuals, including the provision of free and informed consent to the use of their data, and also which of the various entities concerned will be the data controllers.
The third news will be about the German Regional Court, which blocks hospital data transfer to US subsidiary in Luxembourg. So, an hospital contracted a hosting provider in Luxembourg, which were an affiliate of an US company. And the court's decision was the following. So, the use of the services of the Luxembourg subsidiary of the US company is accompanied by an inadmissible data transfer to a third country. Here is the USA. And the latent risk of access by the government and by private bodies outside the EU is sufficient for this assumption. And due to the group affiliation, the subsidiary will receive instructions that were illegal or in breach of the contract, or that the European subsidiary would follow illegal instruction from the US parent company through its managing directors, for example. So per the decision, all data must be processed just only in Germany.
California Attorney General launches inquiry into racial and ethnic bias in healthcare algorithm. So announced at the end of August 2022, the Attorney General requested to CEOs of hospitals to list all commercially available or purchased decision-making tools, products, software systems, or algorithmic methodologies currently in use that assist or contribute to the performance of a variety of functions. Also, the purposes for which these tools are currently used, how they inform decisions, and any policies, procedures, training, or protocols that apply to use of these tools, and also the name and or contact information of the person responsible for evaluating the purpose and use of these tools, and ensuring that they do not have a disparate impact based on race or other protected characteristics.
And the last news of this video will be about the major hospital in France who has hit by a ransomware attack that has left it struggling to provide emergency services and left nurses handling patient data and prescription manually. It was 1 month ago. And a 10 million ransom demand has been issued to this hospital after the cyber attack. But now, like just at the beginning of September, the hacker group that orchestrates the cyber attack of the hospital began like releasing data after the hospital refused to pay the requested ransom. And we can see that the amount of millions of dollars requested by the cyber attack changed following the month. So this is a double extortion consisting of exfiltrating some of the stolen data to put pressure on the victim. But it's very like classic and common, so we advise you to be like very careful. So we finished this video. That's the 5 big news of this month. But do not hesitate to follow us also on our other like social media, because we are also on Twitch.
Yes.
Like you can follow like with more information, not just about like life science, but also about data protection in general and legislation, and also on LinkedIn.
Yes, thank you everyone. Thanks for watching.
Thank you.